So hello guys, I have made this face detection app using Python. Here I have this terminal. Now I'm going to run this and we are going to get these images with the names in the face detection. So we are going to run this and it will start detecting the faces. Okay, so it has started. Now I'm going to click on this and we will be able to see this here. So it says it's Mark Zuckerberg, and then we have these other images. So it is showing Elon Musk, and then it says Bill Gates, and for this, Andrew Tate. So guys, we will be learning how to build this app using Python. If you follow the YouTube tutorial Python Basics for Beginners, we will be able to build awesome projects like this. So stay subscribed to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for new videos like this.